Greetings, discreet defenders. Tonight we have a potentially very interesting shooting experiment. We're going to be using the Ruger LCR to test some Gold Dot personal protection short barrel 135 grain 38 Special Plus P rounds that have been sitting in my wife's glove compartment for 2 years. Now, they haven't been sitting there for the last 2 years. They just sat there for 2 years. Last winter I tested this same box of ammunition because the box didn't sit there. Just these 5 rounds in a speed loader sat in her glove box for 2 years. The rest of the box was sitting in the closet in the nice climate-controlled environment of the upstairs of our house, not the basement, which may compromise certain loads, especially rimfire. But last winter we tested this same round and got an average of 848 feet per second muzzle velocity for a muzzle energy of about 216 foot-pounds, which is almost 100 foot-pounds lower than Underwood's 125 grain Gold Dot loading. So I will continue to carry the Underwood load, but I did want to know if 2 years of sitting in the worst kind of climate extremes that Minnesota and surrounding states that recognize our permits to carry have to offer, temperatures as low as 30 degrees below zero actual air, and as high potentially as hot as it gets inside of a car on a sunny summer's day when you're at work all day. If those kinds of conditions, of those extreme conditions over an extremely long period of time, might affect the performance. So we're going to fire these 5 shots over the Pro Chrono and see if they diverge dramatically if the performance diverges dramatically, either from one shot to another, or from the results we got last winter with the exact same round. And I am firing from about 4 feet away. 870. 890, 871, 838, 853. That is all 5. Let's get an average here. 864 feet per second. I don't know, folks. That is some mighty consistent ignition, velocity, muzzle energy. If anything, I would say that storing these Gold Dots in the glove box of your car in a state with extreme temperature changes is probably good for them. All right. Once again, that was the test of the Spear Gold Dot personal protection load for 38 snub noses, the 38 Special Plus P 135 grain Gold Dot hollow point, fired out of the little Ruger LCR with its 1.9 inch barrel. And you can see they got extremely consistent, extremely normal performance, considering those 5 rounds had been exposed to temperatures from 30 below zero on up to as hot as it gets inside of a car on a sunny summer afternoon. All right, thanks folks. This is Dave for DDR. Have a great week.